Today we're diving into a groundbreaking development that has the photography and filmmaking community buzzing. Canon may have just revealed its most daring move yet, and if these leaks are accurate, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III could completely disrupt the mirrorless camera market. The whispers coming out of industry insiders suggest Canon is preparing to pack features we'd usually only expect in their flagship models, and it could pose a serious threat to Sony's upcoming A7V. The moment these rumors surfaced, creators, photographers, and filmmakers all took notice. Imagine a mid-range body offering performance levels closer to Canon's Elite R3 and even challenging Sony's best. It sounds almost too good to be true, but the leaks are consistent enough that this camera deserves our full attention. A shift. In Canon's strategy for years, Canon has been accused of holding back technology, releasing just enough to keep customers satisfied, but not enough to rattle Sony or Nikon's dominance in the hybrid camera world. That old narrative may no longer apply. With the R6 Mark III, Canon looks ready to change the game. This isn't just an incremental update. It's rumored to be a full-on reinvention of what a mid-tier hybrid camera can deliver. Instead of playing catch-up, Canon seems ready to set new benchmarks. By adopting stacked CMOS technology, something we usually associate with their 6000+ cameras, they are signaling a new era. This could mark the end of Canon's safe strategy and the beginning of a bold offensive designed to win back creators who migrated to Sony's Alpha lineup. That sensor wars heat up. The most exciting rumor surrounding the EOS R6 Mark III is its sensor. Multiple sources claim Canon will equip this camera with an R3-derived stacked CMOS sensor, delivering blazing fast readout speeds. What does that mean in practical terms? It means smoother autofocus, virtually no rolling shutter, and insane burst shooting speeds that rival professional sports cameras. Two different versions of this leak are circulating. Conservative prediction, a 24-megapixel stacked sensor based on R3 technology. Bolder rumor, a 30.3-megapixel sensor that pushes the resolution higher while maintaining lightning speed. If Canon goes with the 30MP option, the R6 Mark III could hit the sweet spot between still photography detail and fast-paced video performance. For hybrid shooters, those who bounce between stills and video, that's a dream come true. Cinematic video specs. That shock here's where things get even more impressive. According to insiders, the R6 Mark III won't just stop at great still photography. It could deliver 60 FPS at 6K resolution and an astonishing 120 FPS at 4K. Let that sink in. A mid-tier Canon body capable of 6K 60 and 4K 120. That's cinema-level performance in a camera that costs less than half of most professional cinema rigs. Add to this the inclusion of C-Log 2 and C-Log 3 profiles for filmmakers, which would allow for massive flexibility in color grading, and you have a camera positioned not just for photographers, but for serious content creators, indie filmmakers, and even commercial videographers. This is where Canon could truly outshine Sony's A7V. While Sony dominates in autofocus and video specs, Canon's rumored offering seems to push past those limitations, targeting a broader range of creatives who demand uncompromising quality at a more accessible price point. Displays and usability. A creator's dream Canon seems to finally be paying close attention to what modern creators need. One of the standout upgrades is the rumored multi-angle, fully articulating LCD screen, a display that can tilt, swivel, and flip in every possible direction. For vloggers, YouTubers, or anyone who shoots at odd angles, this is a major win. Sony's cameras have often been praised for their flexible screens, but Canon bringing this into the R6 Mark III shows they're serious about making the camera friendly to both traditional photographers and modern-day creators who thrive on video-first platforms. Power under the hood. Another area where the EOS R6 Mark III could shine is processing power. Rumors point to a dual-digit X engine, essentially the same level of computing muscle found in Canon's high-end bodies. This means better heat management, faster image processing, and support for advanced computational photography features. Thermal throttling, which plagued some previous Canon models, is reportedly being addressed. That's critical for filmmakers who often need long recording sessions without overheating interruptions. In addition, we could see real-time HDR previews, enhanced subject tracking powered by AI, and even smartphone-style computational noise reduction. This could be the first Canon camera to fully integrate computational photography into a traditional mirrorless system, bridging the gap between smartphones and pro-level gear. The price point and market positioning. How much will this hybrid beast cost? Early leaks suggest Canon is planning to keep it under $3,000 USD. While that's higher than the R6 Mark II's launch price of $2,499, it makes sense if the rumors about stacked sensor technology and dual processors are true. By positioning the R6 Mark III in this price bracket, Canon is clearly aiming to pull buyers away from Sony's A7 lineup and even tempt Nikon shooters looking for a new hybrid solution. It's a smart strategy. Deliver near flagship performance at a mid-range price, and suddenly you have a camera that appeals to professionals and enthusiasts alike. The release date. Mystery. One of the biggest questions right now isn't about specs, but about timing. Initially, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III was rumored for early 2025, but new whispers suggest a launch could be delayed into Q4 2025. Some sources even hint at an August-September window, though nothing has been confirmed. Why? The delays? Analysts suggest it's partly due to supply chain complications and global manufacturing hurdles. But others believe Canon is playing a more strategic game, deliberately delaying the R6 Mark III so it doesn't eat into sales of the R5 Mark II or the upcoming flagship R1. By staggering releases, Canon can maximize profit while keeping customers hungry for the next big upgrade. The bigger picture. Canon versus Sony versus Nikon. This isn't just about one camera. It's about market dominance. For years, Sony has owned the hybrid mirrorless segment, while Nikon has tried to catch up with models like the Z8 and Z9. Canon has always been competitive but often conservative, holding back advanced tech for its premium lines. The EOS R6 Mark III represents a different approach. By introducing stacked sensor technology, dual processors, and cinema-quality video in a mid-range body, Canon could completely disrupt the balance of power. Sony may be forced to accelerate its roadmap for the A7V, while Nikon could lose market share if Canon delivers at this level. Why this camera matters. For photographers, the EOS R6 Mark III could mean access to pro-level autofocus and burst shooting without spending $6,000. For videographers, it could mean high frame rate 4K and 6K, recording in a body small enough to carry anywhere. For vloggers and creators, the articulating screen, improved battery efficiency, and better heat management could make it one of the most reliable and versatile tools available. It's more than just another camera release. It's a signal that Canon wants to dominate the hybrid space and isn't afraid to take risks. Final thoughts. If these rumors hold true, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III won't just be another upgrade. It could redefine what creators expect from a sub-$3,000 camera. From the stacked CMOS sensor to the dual Digic X engine, from 6K 60 video to 4K 120 slow motion, from advanced log profiles to creator-centric usability, this camera looks like a complete package. The timing may be uncertain, but one thing is clear. Sony, Nikon, and every other competitor need to pay attention. Canon is back in the fight, and they're swinging hard. So, what do you think? Which rumored feature excites you the most? The stacked sensor, the insane 120 FPS 4K recording, or the dual processor power? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you're hyped for what's coming, and don't forget to subscribe here at Techno Trend Zone for non-stop updates, leaks, and deep dives into the latest camera technology. Because if the Canon EOS R6 Mark III delivers even half of what the rumors suggest, it could be the most important camera launch of 2025.